Today is the day. I'm gonna tackle the carburetor, but I made a decision instead of doing it on camera because it's gonna be tedious to me. I'm just gonna go over quickly things that I recommend that you get. And one instance that happened to me on this carburetor, the original plates on this carburetor were drilled. It's an old trick they do with cars with big cams, take out a lot of vacuum. They think it'll solve a stumbling off the line problem. But honestly, I think the holes were too big. I don't have a big cam in this car, so I swapped out those plates with plates that I had on another 750 laying around. So these plates, that go underneath here are not drilled. It's not going to be necessary for this application. The only thing that I could tell you is that if that is something that you have to do on your rebuild, I'm going to get this carburetor back in the stand. Make sure to take note when you take these plates out. They have numbers on them. It's 172s and 173s that were on my application. But keep the 172s with the 172s and the 173s with the 173s, because they'll go on, but you'll notice that when you try to operate the linkage, it'll get hung up. So that's for that. The kit that I chose to go with was the Walker kit. I like this kit because the gaskets for the bowls are reusable, opposed to the cork. They come with the blue rubber ones. I also recommend you get you a brush kit. It comes with all of the brushes and picks you'll need as you clean out the carburetor after you let it soak. If that's the route that you're gonna go, you might just want to get you a can of carb cleaner, depends. So I recommend that kit. I recommend the brushes. I also went to Harbor Freight and got some of these. Helps you clean the surfaces off after you scrape gaskets off. Cleans it up real nice. So you get that. Take your time. Pay attention to what you take off as you take it off. Get yourself a rag and just lay everything out on the rag. But I also recommend, if it's your first time building and rebuilding Holleys, get yourself a book. It won't really cover a lot of performance tricks that you'll learn elsewhere on YouTube channel. And you'll get through it. Just take your time. This carburetor came out really clean. If you can see it, like I said, I did not take a picture of it before. But I'm going to sit here and rebuild it. But I won't do it on camera. Like I said, it's tedious. I want to take my time. I'll probably get after it's completed shot and how to set it up once it's on the car running. Stay tuned.